Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got another mod for the S4 that just showed up in this giant box behind me. I'm gonna do a little bit of an unboxing video and show y'all what I got. I'll be right back. All right. Don't mind my sweatpants. I work from home. Pretty nice. Decal. Oh, little lanyard. What else we got here? Some hardware. I'm gonna unwrap this thing and I'll be right back. All right, that literally took me like 5 minutes to unwrap, but that's good because as I'm looking it over, I don't see any shipping damage or anything like that. So here it is, carbon fiber front lip from RW Carbon out in California. I reached out to them because I had been looking for a lip for my S4 for some time, and the options that are out there I wasn't really a big fan of. I came across this one. I like that it comes up and covers up that little slat on the front bumper. Hoping it doesn't stick out too much. It does have this little like arrow fin that's going to be on the side of the bumper, so we'll see how it looks. I think it'll be pretty cool though. And as far as I can tell, the quality is great. It looks just like the OEM carbon fiber, so it should be a pretty good match, I think. Yeah, very cool. Thank you, RW Carbon. I appreciate it. And stay tuned because we're going to be installing this in this video. Alright guys, here we are, a new day. We're going to go ahead and install this lip on the S4. You can see the car back there behind me. Got the lip on the ground. I'm going to do a little bit of prep beforehand. I'll show you that here in a second. And I just got to get the car pulled into the garage and get it up on the ramps, which are right there. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, as entertaining as that would have been for you guys, I got it up on the ramps there. As you can see, I'm gonna have a problem though getting it back down. So I've got the jack out, and what I'll probably have to do is jack up one side, get it off the ramp, jack up the other, put it down, because the front lip actually almost touched already with just the stock bumper, and now this front lip is going to be a little bit lower. So I do not want to mess anything up before I even get started. I was hoping I could use these ramps more often. I do have a exciting announcement here at the end of the video, somebody I'm partnering with, so I might still be able to use them though. We'll see. It'll definitely make getting under there a lot easier without having to deal with jack stands and all that kind of craziness. But yeah, so we've got the front lip right here. You all already saw that. What I'm gonna do is prep the bumper, prep the lip, and I actually got some 3M tape that I'm gonna put all along here, anywhere it touches the bumper. That way I know for sure there's gonna be a solid bond. And then you've got the screws as well, self-tapping screws. But yeah, I mean, you could put in you could go fancy, you could drill it out, you could put in rivets, you can put in rivet nuts, you could do a lot of different options. I'm just gonna use the self-tapping screws they supplied because if you know me, you know that I like to change stuff around. So there's always a chance this lip might come off in the future. I'm gonna set up the tripod and clean everything up and get started. All right, let's go. here's the tape I got. 3M 1/4 inch VHB. Alright. Alrighty, as you can see, 3M tape on the lip and on the car itself. So let's go ahead and peel it off and see, we'll see what happens. There's no instructions with the lip, so just kind of using common sense here. Everything seems to line up okay. Let's take a step back, take a look, make sure both sides look even. Yeah, okay. I think we're in a pretty good spot to throw a couple screws in. Alright guys, we are wrapped up. I think, overall, looks pretty good. I'm gonna get it on the ground and take a look at it and then really see how I like it. What do we think? What do we think? Okay. I kind of like it. Maybe, I don't know. I don't love it. Drop a comment. Let me know what you think. Maybe I do. I need to sit back and look at it without you guys being in front of me, just so I can get a good idea of what it looks like. Yeah, maybe. I think I like it. I think I like it. I really wanted the EMD lip, but they've been out of stock for forever, and well, this was the alternative besides ECS, which I'm not a big fan of, but I'll show you guys a little bit of the fitment here for a second. So you can see there, it lines up pretty well with the bumper with the curvature there. Underneath it lines up really well as well, so no complaints as far as fitment, build quality. There was 2 screw holes up here and up here, but there's really no way to get to them. So I saw, as you saw in the previous clip, I put double-sided tape up there, so I think it'll be fine. We've got 3 screws on each side, none in the middle. There's no way to get to the holes, not from underneath. I mean, maybe if you take the bumper off and do it that way, but even so, underneath here there's that really long piece that sweeps back, and that would cover that anyway. So I don't know, but yeah, let me know what you guys think. think it's a cool addition. I have the carbon fiber mirrors. I have the carbon fiber spoiler from Audi. The weave does match, which I love. Can't stand when people do different weaves, but I don't know. The design might be a tad too aggressive for me, but that's kind of what I'm going for with this car. So maybe I just need to get out of my own head. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but I'm actually shooting on something a little bit different today. I upgraded to the iPhone 13 Pro Max. And oh, look, see, as we do this, I also got the gimbal. I got the DJI OM5, so still getting used to that. Apologize if it's a little shaky, a little weird, but hopefully this will improve my YouTube quality and get some better content out to you guys. I still have the GoPro. I'm gonna use that for more action stuff, but yeah, I have an exciting announcement coming up next. All right, guys, well, that wraps up that install, and it's announcement time. I am excited to let you guys know I partnered with AWE Tuning. I have an exhaust suite coming for the Audi. It's gonna be a little while before it gets here. They build to order. That'll be here, you know, they quoted it 10 weeks, so we'll see, give or take, and I'll definitely be doing an install and a video on that for sure. The sound is gonna be rowdy. I went with their track exhaust, so not a lot holding it back. I went with the bigger tips and polished. Should be a pretty solid look out back with the rear diffuser that I have. I also ordered new suspension. I went with the KW Variant 3s for this thing. I really wanted to go air ride, but it's just too expensive for this platform. And I think for what I want to do with the car, the KW V3s are going to be amazing. I've heard nothing but great things about them, and I know a couple people who have ran them on multiple platforms. Excited for that to come as well. I will be doing an install video with those, of course. As you know, I did a spring video before, but now I'll do the coilovers. Should be the same process. I'm gonna see if I can get a little more in detail for you guys so that you know what exactly to do on a suspension install. And in other news, I sold the Polo. Some of you who are new to the channel may have seen the colorful car pop up there in my videos, but it's sold. It went to a gentleman in North Carolina, shipped out last week. You know, I'm somewhat upset that it's gone, but at the same time, I didn't have room for it. I didn't have the time for it, and he is already tearing it up and doing all kinds of mods to that thing. So I'm excited to see what he does with that car. And he's just up the coast for me, so I'm sure I will see it at some events and some shows and stuff. So I'll be happy to greet him when I see it. But anyways, that is it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, y'all stay safe.